There are over 4,500 species of frogs in the world, and every year scientists discover more. Frogs are among the most widespread amphibians on our planet, so diverse that some of them still manage to surprise even researchers. In this video, we'll explore the strangest and most unusual frogs ever found. Let's start with the glass frog. Most of its body is green, but the skin on its belly is completely transparent. This makes it possible to see its heart, liver, and even intestines. In pregnant females, you can clearly see the eggs developing inside. Scientists believe that the frog's transparent skin helps it blend with its surroundings. The light shining through the leaves makes it nearly invisible to predators. Glass frogs are nocturnal hunters, feeding mostly on small insects. They lay their eggs on leaves that hang above rivers or ponds so that, once hatched, the tadpoles can immediately fall into the water below. Then there's the Birdmoor's narrow-mouthed frog, a strange little creature found in the dry regions of East and South Africa. These frogs are round, plump, and have very short legs. They can't jump and instead waddle slowly on the ground. They look almost like walking balls with faces. When threatened, they puff up their bodies to appear even bigger. Their heads are small with bumpy backs and narrow mouths turned downward, giving them a comical expression. Unlike most frogs, they don't live in water. They dig burrows and spend most of their lives underground. They only come to the surface when it rains, feed on small insects and worms, and are most active at dusk. Next comes the hairy frog, one of the strangest creatures in the amphibian world. It gets its name from thin, hair-like strands of skin that grow along the sides of its body and legs during the breeding season. These hairs are actually skin extensions, but scientists are still unsure about their exact purpose. The hairy frog has another bizarre ability. When threatened, it can break its own toe bones and push them through the skin, forming sharp claws to defend itself. These frogs live in Central Africa. Though they aren't endangered, their natural habitat is under threat from deforestation. Now let's meet Pitaphrina mauensis, the smallest frog in the world, and actually the smallest vertebrate ever discovered. This tiny amphibian measures just 7 millimeters long, smaller than a fingernail. Because of its size and earthy color, it looks more like an insect than a frog. It was discovered near the village of Mau in Papua New Guinea, which is how it got its name. So far, only 4 species of this miniature frog have been identified, all belonging to the same family of narrow-mouthed microhalid frogs. Next is the Vietnamese mossy frog, one of the most brilliantly camouflaged creatures on Earth. Native to the tropical forests and swamps of northern Vietnam, it looks exactly like a patch of moss or lichen. When danger approaches, the frog tucks its legs under its body and freezes, becoming almost impossible to see. Mossy frogs have large pads on their toes that help them cling to rocks and tree trunks. They feed exclusively on insects and lay their eggs on the walls of caves. When the tadpoles hatch, they fall directly into the water below, where they continue their development. These frogs grow up to 8 to 10 centimeters and live around 5 to 6 years. They are nocturnal and quite popular as exotic pets in some parts of Asia. And finally, we have the Brazilian horned frog, one of the most fascinating amphibians in South America. Living in the tropical rainforests of the Amazon, this frog has a distinctive leaf-like appearance that helps it blend perfectly into its surroundings. It can grow up to 20 centimeters long and is known for its aggressive nature. The frog buries itself in the forest floor, with only its head visible, waiting patiently for prey. When something passes by, it lunges out and swallows it whole. These frogs will attack almost anything that moves, even animals their own size. Locals often wear high leather boots to protect themselves from their powerful bites. Despite their ferocity, some people keep them as pets. From see-through frogs to armored hunters, the world of amphibians is full of surprises. Each of these creatures shows just how strange, beautiful, and creative nature can be.